I'll need some fuel.
Want to go to Morrison's?
Say,
You want to go through 4th? We'll go to 4th. What do you think?
aye,
You got enough to get you to 4th?
I should do. Will that be open on a Sunday?
Aye, some days a week.
Is it? Just wait
You've seen it a Sunday before.
Just wait being a hillbilly town, eh?
No. Well, you go to Paul Beth.
Aye, we'll just fill it at Paul Beth.
It's 12.5 degrees.
It is a bit chilly, like.
It's not bad. If you open your visor, it is.
Aye. Well, look at the price here, $129.
Here.
Aye.
Is it?
That's cheap a lato. $139 for the super duper pooper scooper. So where we're going? Muffet.
I think we'll go Moffat. I don't know where else. You can change it if you want.
Nah, it's fine.
You go Moffat through that lake.
Oh, Tala.
What do you call the lake you went to where the wee cafe is?
Oh, St Mary's.
St Marys.
St Mary's Loch.
Go Evos and back.
Aye, that sounds good. Aye, the last time we were doing this way was with Willie.
Yeah.
Aye, when you two got married at Gretna Green.
That's right, eh?
Yeah. Pair of Jessies. Jessies at that. These lights take ages. Ages and ages.
Turn right.
No, we're turning left. Mind the last time we were down here, the boy fell off his bike.
Where?
At the petrol station with the camber. Caught him out.
Mind that.
This is the junction, the turn I always miss, eh? Thanks, pal.
Just stop up here, eh? It's just straight on, isn't it?
Huh?
The wee cafe's up then.
Right. The wee cafeteria.
Watch us bend.
Bend.
Imagine living in that bend, eh?
I know. Bendy Wendy.
Look at the view he's got though.
I know. It's lovely, eh?
Cracking. Makes it peaceful down here, eh?
Aye.
Degrees.
Scorcher.
See that M74 is pretty open, isn't it?
Yeah. Very exposed. Somebody's got the flags out, they knew we were coming.
I think the coldest ride we've done since we started was the one to the Green Whirly night.
was cold. That was very cold.
But the funny thing was, on the way back it wasn't cold, was it?
I don't know if we were just that cold, we didn't feel it anymore.
I think the wind was on our back, it was a bit milder.
Yeah.
But then you go across there and meet my cousin. Because he lives on the Isle of Bute crossing. So they get the ferry across in the back.
Yeah.
In the Oban and come up to the Green Valley.
Aye. I've not been to Rothsay for about 30 years.
You know?
Aye.
I would retire there.
It's cheap.
It's letting us past. See him?
He's maybe a biker. I've got a wee flash for him when I raise my hand there.
What's this?
We're so lucky to have nice scenery on our doorstep though, eh?
Oh, absolutely. And I'll tell you what, I'll take you some Bruce things here. You just won't believe the scenery.
Yeah.
And it's not far from where we are. Well, I mean, up towards Aberdeen, but right in that valley.
Yeah. Cattle grid.
We're going to tell you, didn't
I like the noise.
it? The message from the sat nav. In 10 mile, be prepared to park your car.
Aye, no bother. Into the valleys. Oh, hello, sheep. He was just sitting chilling.
Watch the traffic.
Alright. Not phased at all.
Then he does at the back of the sofa, sits and looks out the window, watches everybody go up and down.
Yep. Wee diggy. That sheep wasn't happy. The wee lamb.
Water. Sheep.
Hello, sheep. There's more chilling. Hiya. Hello. Hi. Biker approaching.
It's raining here.
Looks like it, eh?
I think it's been raining here, isn't it?
Aye. Aye, the road's a bit damp. Hello, sheep. There she is, St Marys Loch.
It's the Loch of the Lowers. The Loch of the Lows.
Yes.
Go.
bikes, eh?
I'm starving.
I'm Sean.
So you want to park here?
Aye. You reversing then?
No. I'm just going to stop here. I'll just follow you.
Aye, I'm just going to reverse it, I know. Just watch because the ground's a bit gravelly, eh?
There's a wee bit around the corner. You want to park in there?
No, if we leave them here, the bike, we can see the bikes, eh? Just leaving it here like that.
Right.
Aye. Happening. Aye. Well, we'll get a cup of tea then.
Right. Some sausages.
Aye. Sounds like a plan.